First rainy day at SFO. And we out here just enjoying it, you know what I'm saying? Unbelievable that people don't know that all this can fit underneath the plane. But yup, true story, true story. First rainy day at SFO. And you see it out there, it's gloomy. We wouldn't have it any other way. Would not have it any other way. We out here, rain gear or no rain gear, but we out here doing it. First rainy day at SFO. And there goes the airplane Uber over there. But yeah. Let us know what you guys think. If you guys are rampers, you already know. Leave your comments and thoughts below. What rain gear you guys approve of and what boots you guys approve of to make sure your feet stay dry.